Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to English class standard 7. So 3.1 sleep baby sleep. So पहले हम देखते हैं words and meaning which are going to be there in your poem. So words are herds on the heavens, shepherd, playfellow, bleat, naughty, rogue and waken not. हर्ट मीन्स भेड़ों का गला. ऑन दी तुझ पर. हेवेंस आसमान. शेपर्ड यानी गडरिया. प्ले फेलो यानी खेलो तफरी का साथी या आपका फ्रेंड या दोस्त. ब्लीट मतलब भेड़ का चिल्लाना, उसकी जो आवाज़ होती है वो. नॉटी शरीर. रोग मतलब शैतान शरीर. और वेकन नॉट जगाना मत. So let's start our poem. Sleep baby sleep. Sleep baby sleep. Your father herds his sheep. Your mother shakes the little tree from which all pretty dreams on thee. Sleep baby sleep. Sleep baby sleep. The heavens are white with sheep, for they are lamps, those stars so bright. And the moon shepherd of the night. Sleep baby sleep. Sleep baby sleep, sleep baby sleep, and I will give thee a sheep which with its golden bell shall be a little playfellow for thee. Sleep baby sleep. Sleep baby sleep, and bleat not like a sheep, or else the shepherd angry dog will come and bite my naughty dog. Sleep baby sleep. Sleep baby sleep, go out and herd the sheep, go out you barking black dog, go, and waken not my baby so. Sleep baby sleep.